isa sa mga event natin dito sa Baguio. Nandito tayo para mag-ocular. Mag-ocular sa may Pines View Hotel. So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa mismong Burnham Park. So, mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo and then, siguro diretso uwi na din tayo. So, bye guys! Thank you for watching!
Butterfly, where you gonna go tonight? Wish I was just like you, maybe then you'd take me high. Away from it all again, away from my troubles and my sins, away from the fears inside, away from the tears I try to hide.